Hey, what's up mga Carbis? For today's video, atong ipakita ang kasal nila Seth og Jidel Me. Kung mao na ilang reception. So, atong ipakita sa inyo ilang reception. Simple lang siya pero elegant, no, di ba? Kantawa, nice kayo. Si Seth, oy, sana all. Na ilang ka, nice kayo, ilang sit up. O, ato po may patanaw sa inyo ang ilang kuan sit up sa beach. Let's go.
The program that we are about to witness is a solemn and sacred ceremony originally instituted by God in the Garden of Eden and Eve, our first parent. Today, we have been chosen to witness this very special moment of Jadel May and Seth's life. Two hearts who found their perfect tie in each other, whom to be united by the holy bond of marriage. This moment will remain intact in the memory of Jadel May and Seth forever. Our dear minister, who will share a beautiful reading from the book of 1 Corinthians 13:4.
From the book of 1 Corinthians chapter 13, it says here, beareth all things, love believeth all things, hopeth all things, and endureth all things.
Thank you for what timeless truth for Jadel May and Seth today. Of entourage. To pave the way for the ceremony, let's have the first bearer. To declare the marriage. Pastor Jerry E. Tagono inspired us to lead the homily, and Pastor Donald Torion evokes prayer for marriage. Georgie B. Bulawan. Mr. Raul S. Espanto. Mrs. Brenda T. Espanto, who will stand by Mrs. Emilio T. Espanto. Seth T. Espanto. To bring the elements of this matrimony, the little bearer of Holy Bible for sacramental holy matrimony. The conditional promise made to give the flash of signature, the pen bearer, little Kyle Zenri B. Campunar, remind us that God first, the foremost. Adonis Vincent. Ready to honor and the time sidekick of the bride and groom. The principal sponsors. Mr. and Mrs. Aklisur Juarez and Mom Juliet G. Torion. St. Jude. Mr. Ricky S. Pahi and Mrs. Yvonne Jane A. Pahi. Mrs. Gladys Hyacinth L. Bunghalo. Tara M. Montajes. Mr. Romeo and Mrs. Nancy D. Raju. With Miss John Lee B. Campomanes, Miss Rowena Lagundi, and Miss Marijoy G. Gingo. Maid of Honor, J.B. B. Cabalhin and Brenna E. Simasio. A clause from the heart to lean on also, Matron of Honor. Our Maid of Honors. The reflections of this wedding and little groom. Mr. Edelberto C. Barrios and Mrs. Ruth T. Barrios will stand by parents is Mr. J. Anthony T. Barrios and Mrs. Joyce Jane B. Gentlemen, gentlewomen, it sponsors everyone day.
Sorry. Okay, dihan yung anak ko diha ka mag-witness, maglingkod, magtindog. Dayon si Mrs. Rebecca Lisayan, ani? Okay, thank you.
I stand here today that loving you has been the most natural and certain thing in my life. You are my safe place, my greatest adventure, and my home all along. I promise to stand beside you through every season, through the quiet days and the storms, through laughter and uncertainty. I will listen when you need to be heard, hold you when words fall short, and remind you of your strength in your ego. I vow to grow with you, to choose you every day, and to never stop learning how to love you better. With you, I have found a love that feels both like a dream and a promise. And today, I choose that promise forever.
Very good. So, Mami.
Wala ko ka-shield sa English. Okay. So, to my now husband from Manila, Itindaang. Babe, mahal, and now my husband. I want to grab this opportunity to say thank you so much for everything. You are indeed an answered prayer. I can say that God really gave me you because He knows that I need you. Kadumdum ko sa una, high school pa po, anak si Nanay Lorna, which happened to be nga imuhang iyaan, anak siya sa ako nga mag-una daw kong minyo sa akong ate. Pero sa akong huna-huna, anak ko nga, basin imuharang kapamilya na ang ako ang maminyuan. And then years later, there you are. Ang pag-umangkonde ay ni Nanay Lorna ang ako ang maminyuan. Courting me for 1 year and 2 months. And kadumdum ko gignanti ka nga. Pag-court niyo sa ko, anak ko, dili ko ganahan nga duwa-duwa ra ang relationship. Tapos anak ka nga, tinud-anay man ni ako Indeed, thank you, love. Thank you for making my dream wedding come true. Thank you for allowing me to experience this kind of feeling. For almost 6 years, we've been through so much. Gikan sa pagkawala sa imong mama, tapos sa ako ang papa, and just earlier last November, ako ang pong mama. Salamat sa sacrifices, sa pagsabot, o pag-love sa ako sa tinud-anay. And on this day, I promise to love you with everything I can. I vow to understand and to take care of you. I vow to respect you and your. I vow to support you in your dreams and to help you in building the home with serenity in God's presence. I thank God for the faith that He designed for us. I thank God for letting me meet the one who has so much love, respect, and patience to give. And I must say, congratulations. Mahappy na gid ka unyang gabi. For 6 years, you made it, love. Congrats. And now, Mama Rods, Papa Idil, and now my new mama, Mama Brenda, would really be so proud and happy for us. I love you, I love you, I love you so much.
Okay, praise the Lord.
Kabalo na din sila sa isunod. Atong tubang.
Holy Legal Kiss. May katong ng labay, practice pa to, Pastor Charlie.
Congratulations sa Mrs. Espanto. Lihong mo katubang nito.
Good afternoon once again. On behalf of our newlyweds, we would like to extend our heartfelt thanks to our officiating ministers, Pastor Charlito M. Tipan Jr., together with Pastor Jerry E. Taguno and Pastor Donald S. Darion. Let's give them a round of applause.
So mao to man naman ilang ceremony dito sa beach. So naadri ilang pala pagkaon nga pika-pika. O mao ni atong kuan diri ganap mo atong birahan diri sa snack kuno ni sa libre snack. Ganap po libreng potobot. Let's go.
Lagi nandyan na click subscribe, huwag ka na mapahuli. Like at share para hindi ako mangigil. Ito ang spot saan ka isparit. Kasama si RBTV, laging on fire. Be laging on fire. Be laging on fire. Yo, kumusta? Ako'y nandito na. Pangalan ko Yabi, handang samahan ka sa channel ko. Good vibes ang dala, kwento travel at saya. Lagi nandyan na. Hit subscribe, huwag ka na mapapamali. Like at share para hindi ako mangigil. Ito ang spot saan ka isparit. Kasama si RBTV, laging on fire. Be laging on fire. Be laging on fire.
Also, we have Mr. Alexander and Mrs. Lee. Thank you very much. How about Mr. Ricky and Mr. Jason from Hanoi? Hello there. How about a round of applause for them? Thank you very much. Mr. Corsino and Mrs. Sarah Montajes. Alright, there you go. Marias and Mrs. Joyce Jane Cabalhin. Siyempre with the best men and the William Myers, Joshua Espanto, Shabby Cabalhin, and Jorge Pulawan and Brenna Simasio. First, everyone, tayo po tayo as we welcome. Come on, let's join our hands together as we celebrate their love for each other. Come on. Alright! Sana all, may pa-cake parade ah.
So more to guys, ang clip nga ipakita sa inyo sa kasal ni Seth og Jidelmi. So more to, see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.
In 100 lifetimes, I choose you.
Alam niyo po, magkikiss na naman sila. Kahit hindi kayo nagre-request.
Kumusta? Ako'y nandito na. Pangalan ko Yagi, handang samahan ka sa channel ko. Good vibes ang dala, kwento, travel at saya, lagi nandyan na. Click subscribe, huwag ka na mapahuli. Like at share